guys, so we've just left Middleton Reef, about 600 nautical miles to New Caledonia. Light downwind conditions, should be strengthening, getting a bit more speed. We're running 2 headsails at the moment, got the staysail up as well as the genoa, all rigged outboard sheets, which is pretty interesting. Cruising along, beautiful day on the ocean.
Staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for...
Hi there, Holly here. We're on night watch. It's very, very dark and a little bit cold. We just had kind of a squall go through earlier, not a big one, but lots of rain. What are you doing, Andy?
Well, I'm just tidying everything up.
Because I left it in a mess.
It's a bit of a mess.
I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Oh, North Country winters keep forgetting me, and I lost my money playing poker, so I had to up and lay. But I ain't turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
Sunshine and rainbows.
Here it comes too.
Walking due south out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. And I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a...
Oh, what's the angle? Take 4. Just on the home stretch here, we're about 10 miles out of Numia. We're running our stupid little double staysail arrangement here. Been pretty blowy overnight. We were running 3rd reef and a staysail. We just cracked off a little bit and needed a bit more up forward, so put out a little bit of genoa. It doesn't look real nice, a bit twist in it, but seems to be working. We're railing in pretty good coming into the harbour here now. Current wind angle about 80 degrees. True wind's just after the beam a little bit, yeah. First country outside of Australia for Rome. Yoo, broth.
Oh, rock me, roll like a strong ocean breeze. Rock me, roll like the Tasman Sea. Hey, rock me. Harmonica solo. What are you making, Holly?
We have got paleo kind of pancakes, so banana and almonds and eggs, with apple and blueberries and honey and almonds.
Why are we making all this?
because we had 37 eggs to eat before we got to New Caledonia, so I'm using them, and bananas. We had like 40 bananas, so we don't want to waste.
I remember I bought like one of those pulpy ones that were like pulpy and you were like drinking.
Thanks. Well, it's definitely clearing up out here, I'm pretty sure.
You cold much?
I was going to get a bit rainy before, but I think we're good now. So we cleared into New Cal, got all the passports done and things, and the weather was horrible. But Michael only had 2 days before he had to go back to work, so we snuck out the reef for a quick surf. Then he flew out, and we had Ian, then we had my parents, and we had Holly's parents in for 3 weeks of charter cruise around New Cal with lots of reggae.
I won't spend my time confined, trying just to make ends meet. I'm gonna live while I'm alive, I won't be bullied by the hierarchy. You're never gonna know if you never ever go, and nothing in life comes for free. One opportunity to make things right, I won't die wondering. Life is short, we don't got long, nothing can be guaranteed. If you ain't satisfied and you get it all wrong, you don't get a warranty. So don't sign the line that you don't agree. I'm gonna pack my bags, hit the road, there's so much to see. Two eyes on the road, two hands on the wheel. Two eyes on the road, two hands on the wheel. Two hands on the wheel.
I don't know what it is, but it looks tasty, yeah.
Did you spear it?
No, we caught it by hand.
You got it.
Don't question it, there's a fish.
Prosperity is health and happiness. You don't gotta do what you don't wanna do, or be who you don't wanna be. Teachers will teach and preachers will preach, but at the end of the day we're free. So don't sign the line that you don't agree. I'm gonna pack my bags, hit the road, there's so much to see. I got two eyes on the road, two hands on the wheel. Two eyes on the road, two hands on the wheel.
In New Caledonia, and we've just sailed up to Baie de Carnage, and then these are the amazing waterfalls that we've just walked up to. Very hot, and we've been swimming in the pools.
This is a state of mind. The wise man said, a home don't have to be measured by a solitary house and a bed. It's the
Oh no! Oh, see ya!
Newcastle I had no expectations, I guess, but it was awesome. I'd love to go back. I don't know why it wasn't on my travel radar before. So close to Australia.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good last minute decision other than going to New Zealand.
Yeah.
Ended up getting some tropical sunshine and snorkeling in.
We've had Ian for the first week, then my parents for the next week, and then down to Ile De Pins with Holly and my parents.
Yeah, so we had a full boat, 7 people on Rome. It's the most we've ever had on board.
Practice charter missions.
All went pretty smoothly.
Sneaks under the radar a little bit expensive price-wise, but apart from that, everything's spot on. Empty surf, lots of surf.
Yeah, my first reef surf ever with John and Andy, which was awesome. Ian had a kite surf at Tenia, had a close encounter with a sea snake. And we had the most amazing snorkel with John and Lois.
Ile De Pins, pretty amazing. We're about 40 miles south of the main island of New Caledonia.
Yeah, Ile De Pins seemed like the land of turtles, that one anchorage we're in.
Yeah. Met some real cool people in here, Newcastle. A lot of young sort of environmentalist French coming here to work replantation, environmental projects, just to help after the whole of Newcastle seems to be pretty heavily logged in the past. So the French are really trying to re-establish the old growth forests and make it look how it was a couple of hundred years ago.
Trying to re-establish the forests.
Yeah, starting up cool little hostels up in the back of
Little hippie camps.
in the back of Baie de Carnage.
Yeah.
Good times, Newcastle. Next stop, Fiji.
Ew.